Today I'm going to tell you about World Population Day. The 11th of July is regarded as the World Population Day all across the globe. This day was marked as celebratory since 1987 by the United Nations Organization. The main goal of the World Population Day is to raise awareness among the people concerning the world's growing population. The United Nations Organization was the one to coin this day for the first time. The population has been increasing by leaps and bounds. It's a burning issue that requires an urgent remedy. China, India, and the United States are the top three countries that have the largest population count in descending order of the precedence. The concern of growing population is so widespread that there are no remedies that will act immediately. A long time is required for the measure to become effective. The growing population puts additional strain on the earth and the environment. Governing bodies of every nation should come up with a practical solution to pacify the solution at hand. Policies such as family planning and use of birth control should be implemented on a large scale basis. Overpopulation is leading to very quickly depleting the natural resources in the world.
Why is World Population Day celebrated? World Population Day is celebrated to grab everyone's attention over the immediate issue of the rapidly increasing population of the world and the adverse effects which it carries along with it. How fast is the population of the world increasing? The rate of growth of population all across the world is recorded to be 2,20,000 births per day, 50 births per minute. Should the population growth be kept within check? Yes, it is an urgent requirement to control and contain the population growth. The growth rate is fixed at a gigantic figure and it should be brought down.
This year, the theme of the World Population Day 2021 is the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on fertility. It will be observed to shed more light on the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on sexual and reproductive health and reproductive behavior globally.